Today we got this device, UPOU S20 battery connector is broken and we are going to replace a new battery connector. This is, I think, a Chinese mobile. I don't think this is a good mobile. It's Chinese. When I opened it, I was confused in the way it's manufactured. It's a low cost manufacturer. I don't know what caused this force to break the 3 pins of the battery connector, but let's start fixing it. Remove all screws from the frame. Now detach the frame from the housing. You can use plastic tools or your finger nails. What a chaos. I hate repairing Chinese mobiles. Not all Chinese mobiles, of course, but the cheapest is the bad. Everything is complicated. Let's start disassembling the board. I don't know where to start. Everything is very near to each other. It's like chaos. Remove some screws, tighten the board down. Be careful when you remove the flex cables. The board is out. I'm going to remove the fingerprint because I'm going to use heat gun with soldering iron. Okay, I have similar battery connector. I'm going to solder it down. But first I'm going to remove the old one. I'm going to melt the battery connector with the soldering iron because I can't use heat gun to remove it because we have too much connectors in between. Then I will use cutter to remove the left pieces. I tried to remove the pads, but the battery connector was too heavy and stuck to the board. After few minutes I lost my mind and I just used heat gun to melt it and remove it. And I'm sorry that I wasn't recording. As you can see, I melted down. After that, I'm going to use the cutter as I told you to remove the left pieces. Don't push, otherwise you will cut the pads. You just need to cut, not to push. All pads are okay. I have to remove the lifted plastic. Then I'm going to resolder the pins and the pads. Put soldering flux paste. It's Amtech. There is some pieces of the battery connector I need to remove. Okay, so I can put the new battery connector in place. Clean the motherboard with alcohol. Put the new battery connector, make sure it fits in place. Then put some soldering paste on the pins and the legs, because I don't want to use heat gun to put it in place. Careful not to melt the screen connector and the touch screen connector. Make sure to put enough soldering iron. We need the battery connector to be solid. Okay, it's look like solid. Now we can assemble and test. Don't know what I saw, but I had putting some soldering. I don't know why. Now all you have to do is to assemble the phone back. Make sure all the connectors are right on place. Avoid damaging any flex cables or any piece. The pieces are in chaos mode. Try to put them in the right position. Be careful when you are putting them. I think my job has been now done. If you have any questions, just write it down in the comments below. Thank you for watching. We'll see you next time in the other video. Don't forget to like and subscribe to support the channel. Phone has powered on. Okay, the phone is working. The problem has been solved. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support the channel by like and subscribe. We'll see you in the next video.